Hello, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101, and today I'm standing in front of the One Oak Grove luxury apartments. We're in the Uptown area and specifically just about a block or so away from the West Village. What we're going to do is we're going to tour inside and take a look at a model. We're also going to look at amenities and just get a vibe by video of what it would be like to live here in this very pretty apartment. Before we do that, we're actually going to take a walking tour because I want you to see the area and the location because, hint, hint, it's awesome. This is right on the outskirts of the West Village, and so I'm going to start walking and I'm going to talk about the area as well. It's right next to Lemon Street, so we're going to go right next to Lemon Street so you can get the vibe. Lemon Street runs one direction. It goes east and west, and they're one-way streets. So Lemon is a good way to get to either to the North Dallas Tollway, which is west, or to get closer to 75, which is this direction. So up ahead, right up there, about a block or so, that's the West Village. So you're a walking distance to the West Village. I literally could walk probably for about 2 or 3 minutes and I would be on it. As I'm walking, I want you to see just the outside, and it's a really pretty complex. I love this. You see kind of the just the attractive outer wall siding that they have up there. You see it, it's a real pretty just wood color. It's just gorgeous. So this is a really, really nice apartment. We're going to see more details of that in a minute. But now let's keep walking. And right up there is McKinney Avenue. We're actually going to walk to it. It's just so close. So there's a Walgreens right here. The Walgreens is right on McKinney Avenue. And then we are just super close up here to so many other things in the West Village and in Uptown. Let me tell you about the West Village. So the West Village that's the highest concentration of shops and restaurants, and it's really just right over there. It's the highest concentration of shops and restaurants and night spots in Uptown. So to be in walking distance to the West Village means that you're going to be able to just in a few minutes get to a ton of entertainment, a ton of fun, a ton of great restaurants to try, and all in walking distance. This is a super safe area of town, in my opinion, as well. So you'll be able to enjoy walking, at day or at night as well. You'll feel safe. It's a great area to enjoy. And if you're a young professional, you can meet a ton of people. Or if you're a professional of any age, you can also meet a ton of people here too. I want to point out a couple other things too. So we're at Lemon and McKinney Avenue. This is McKinney Avenue. This is the main street that goes through Uptown. And I want to point out a couple of things. You see this M-Line trolley sign? There's a free trolley. And you see those tracks, and the trolley goes all through McKinney Avenue, and it goes up there to the north where the West Village ends, and then it goes all around it and it comes down the other direction on Cole. So this trolley is running, just every day, and on the weekends it runs till like 12 or 1 at night. And whenever you see one of those signs there, that means that it'll stop here and you can get on it, hop on it, and then it will take you to the West Village. So I walked to here, but if I wanted to, I could either walk there or I could just hop on the trolley and the trolley takes me there. So this is really, really a fantastic area that the One Oak Grove is in. And frankly, there's also some other restaurants and shops that are over here. The Velvet Taco is super popular. There's Primo's, Quarter Bar, and Breadwinners that's down there too. So this is just a phenomenal location. When I'm walking back just so you can see kind of the outside of what this looks like a little bit more, and then we'll step in just a little bit to the lobby and go from there. One thing I like about this location too is a lot of people tend to prefer if you're just maybe a block away from McKinney Avenue. McKinney Avenue can get rather, it's very busy, it's super popular as you can guess, and so it sometimes the noise can get on the weekends maybe a little higher. So if you're about a block away like this, it really gives you just more privacy and a bit more quiet, and so you can enjoy that privacy, but then still be able to just quickly walk, just like I did, to McKinney Avenue. So this is some more of it. You can see looks like there's plenty of balconies, and just a beautiful apartment. This is very recently built, so I'm excited to show this to you. So let's be ready, and we'll step into that lobby shortly, and I'll meet you there.